Well, there's definitely some serious camping going on. That is good. Oh, that's a few.
Motorbike traveling has a different pace. You can chase from one location to the next, or I'm like the next guy. I love riding my motorbike, but sometimes you just have to jump off the treadmill. This is definitely one of these occasions. I'm here on Lake Skadar in Montenegro, one of these beautiful places and definitely worthwhile a visit. I decided to hire a little kayak and explore the lake, because why not? I'm here and I want to enjoy it. I teamed up with Luke, a guy from Belgium, on a 5-year trip around the world. He is quite a crazy guy, but I absolutely enjoy his company, and we decided just to go out for a paddle. Enough said, sit back and enjoy this beautiful landscape.
Yeah.
Check this out. This is incredible. No, not really.
I think we have to go back because otherwise we don't see where we are. It is nice, isn't it? Hey guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. What do you think? It is amazing here, isn't it? I shall see you around. Ride safe and stay safe. Bye.